Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, you're gonna learn 20 different ways to reply for a new year wish. කවුරු හරි අපිට happy new year කියලා wish කරාම අපි හුරු වෙලා ඉන්නවා same to you same to you same to you කියලා කියන්න. නේද? ඉතින් same to you කියනවා ඇරෙන්න අපිට තව ක්‍රම තියෙනවා reply කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ ක්‍රම 20ක් කතා කරන්න තමයි අපි දැන් හදන්නේ.
Hey Pumi, Happy New Year!
Right back at you. Have a great new year. Back at you. Same applies to you.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year to you.
I second that. Have a smashing year ahead. Or you just stole my greetings. I wish the same for you too. Thank you. Happy New Year to you too. Right back at you. Have a splendid year. Likewise, greetings for the new year. Thanks for your kind words. I feel the same for you. The feeling is mutual. You too have an excellent year. Wishing you a great year too. Likewise, have a spectacular year. That's really nice of you. Have an exceptional year too. I appreciate that. I hope you have an amazing year too. Thank you for your wishes. I hope you have a great year and many blessings to come. Sending you love and happiness for the new year. Your wishes made my day. Thank you so much.
Happy New Year!
So instead of saying same to you all the time, you can use these beautiful phrases to reply for a new year wish. So that's all for today. If you guys really like my video, you can subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon below so you won't miss any video. See you soon for another lesson and have a wonderful new year.